If you have money sitting in bank CDs or bonds as the safe part of your portfolio, there's a product that works almost exactly like a CD, but pays more and comes with tax advantages a CD can never give you. It's called a multi-year guarantee annuity, or MYGA. And most people have never heard of it because their bank isn't the one selling it. Most retirement portfolios are built around a mix of stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents like CDs. As you get closer to retirement, the standard advice is to shift more of that mix into the safe bucket, bonds and CDs. But there's a third option that behaves a lot like a CD, but is built differently under the hood. And once you understand how it works, you'll be asking why more people aren't using this. A MYGA is issued by an insurance company in exchange for a single deposit. In return, it guarantees you a fixed interest rate for a set period, usually somewhere between 2 and 10 years. That's basically the same structure as a CD. Lock in a rate, hold for a term, collect guaranteed interest. If you own an individual bond and interest rates rise, the market value of that bond drops. Sell it before maturity and you take a loss. Own a bond fund instead of an individual bond, and you don't even get the option to just hold until maturity to avoid the loss. The fund's value moves with rates whether you like it or not. There's also default risk. Outside of treasuries, any bond you own, corporate or municipal, carries the risk that the issuer can't pay you back. A MYGA sidesteps both problems. Your principal and interest rate are guaranteed by the issuing insurance company for the full term. No market fluctuation, no default exposure in the way a corporate bond has it. The insurance company is taking on the investment risk, not you. Bonds are also frequently callable, meaning the issuer can pay you back early when rates drop, leaving you to reinvest at a worse rate right when you don't want to. MYGAs cannot be called. The rate you lock in holds for the entire guaranteed period. Here's where this really separates from a CD. Interest from a CD or a bond is taxable in the year you earn it, whether you spend it or not. A MYGA grows tax-deferred. The interest compounds inside the contract without a yearly tax bill chipping away at it. That means more of your money is compounding for longer, and you get to choose when the income shows up. Ideally in a year when you're in a lower tax bracket, rather than the IRS deciding for you every single year like a CD does. MYGAs are less liquid than a CD or a bond you can sell on the open market. Cash one in early and you'll typically face a surrender charge. Pull earnings out before the age of 59 and a half, and with a few exceptions, you're looking at ordinary income plus a 10% IRS penalty on top. The same early withdrawal rule that applies to most retirement accounts. Most MYGA contracts do allow you to withdraw up to 10% a year penalty-free, which actually makes them more flexible than most CDs, where any early withdrawal usually comes with a stiff penalty. And a common strategy is laddering, buying several MYGAs with staggered terms so you've always got one maturing every year or two, giving you liquidity on a rolling basis without breaking any single contract early. A MYGA isn't meant to replace every dollar in your fixed income bucket. The reduced liquidity means you probably don't want 100% of your safe money locked into one. But as a piece of that allocation, instead of a taxable account, an IRA, or even a Roth IRA, it can provide steady guaranteed interest that either compounds for you or pays out on a schedule you choose, monthly, quarterly, or annually. If you've got CDs rolling over or bonds you've been holding just because that's what you're supposed to do with the safe portion of your portfolio, this is worth a second look. I help clients figure out whether a MYGA actually fits into their allocation. and how to structure it around their tax situation and timeline. If you would like to see how a MYGA could work for you, click the link in the description below to schedule an annuity consultation with me. And of course, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I try to put out a video every Sunday on these kinds of topics.